Okay, this is another test because the first test that I did earlier, I don't know what happened, but this morning I did a firmware upgrade on the Insta360, on the Insta360 One X, which is the one I'm being recorded right now. I did one for 60 seconds and it worked fine on YouTube. The other one didn't work. I don't know why. I don't know what's going on with the firmware, or is it maybe that the phone cannot upload long videos? And it really wasn't a long video. It was a minute and 50 seconds, I think. Right now, this one's coming up to 52 seconds right now, 53. But I want to keep going. I want to see if it's got to do to the fact that I can only do short videos directly from the iPhone, or that there was something stuck in between the communication between my phone and the camera itself. Right now it's already at 1 minute 20 seconds, and I want to make sure, and of course this is raw video, this is not reframing and all that warping and the little earth and all that stuff. This is just normal 360, and I want to make sure that I can be able to transfer this to my iPhone and then upload it to my iPhone, so that I wouldn't have to deal with the computer part. But right now it's coming up to 1 minute and 45 seconds, and I'm going to cut it off at 1 minute 50.